Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain a quick and essential trick in Windows 11, how to enable or disable write protection on a specific volume or drive partition. Whether you want to protect your important data from being accidentally deleted or modified, or you need to unlock a drive that's stuck in read-only mode, we're going to do it all using the built-in Windows command prompt, and no extra software needed. Okay, let's get straight to the steps. In the search box on the taskbar, type command prompt. When it appears in the results, make sure to select Run as Administrator. It's very important to run it as an administrator, because the changes we make to disk properties are system-level commands, and Windows won't allow a regular user to modify write permissions at the hardware level. Now that we have command prompt open, our first step is to type DiskPart, and press Enter. This command opens the Disk Partition utility, which is a powerful built-in Windows tool that allows us to manage your disks, partitions, and volumes directly from the command line. You will see the prompt change to DiskPart, letting you know the utility is active and ready for your next instruction. Now you need to display a list of all the drives available on your computer, so we can choose the right one. Type the command, list volume, and press Enter. This command creates a table showing all the partitions on your system, including drive letters, names, and sizes. It's very important to carefully review this list to identify the volume you want to protect. Let's look at the list we just created. For example, I want to protect the partition with the drive letter E. By looking at the table, I can see that drive E is listed as volume 3. Next, enter the command select volume, followed by the number. In my case, it will be select volume 3, then press the enter key. You'll see a confirmation message saying, volume 3 is the selected volume. This is an important confirmation, because it means any commands we type from this point forward will only apply to this specific drive, keeping all your other partitions safe and untouched. Now that we have successfully selected the correct volume, it is time to apply the protection. Type the command, attributes volume set, read only, and press Enter. This command tells Windows to change the permissions of this specific volume so that it can only be read, not written to. You will see a message stating volume attributes set successfully, which confirms the lock is now active. This means the drive is now officially in read-only mode. No one can save new files, delete existing ones, or format this partition. To make sure everything worked perfectly, let's head over to File Explorer and verify this directly on the drive itself. When I open the drive and try to right-click on a file or folder, you'll notice something immediately. If I click Show More Options, the usual delete and rename options are completely gone. This isn't just about deleting files. You can't even change the name of a folder within this partition because the system has locked all write permissions. To take it a step further, look what happens if I try to format the drive. Windows immediately blocks the action and displays a message saying, the disk is write protected. This is the ultimate confirmation that our command worked. The drive is now essentially a vault. You can view everything inside, but nothing can be changed, added, or erased. And if you want to undo this at any time and remove the protection, the drive is no longer read-only. The process is just as simple. We will open the command prompt as an administrator and follow the exact same steps we did before. Enter DiskPart, list your volumes, and select the correct volume number. This time, however, we will execute the command, attributes volume clear read-only. This command clears the read-only flag and restores full write access to the partition. Once you press Enter, you will see a message confirming that the attributes were cleared successfully. Now, let's test it. If I go back into the drive and try to delete that same folder, you can see it deletes normally, without any issues. I can also start a format on the drive, and the process proceeds exactly as expected. Everything is back to normal. You can find all the commands we used today in the video description below for easy copying and pasting that covers how to easily manage write protection on your drives. If you found this trick helpful, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more technical tips and solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.